In our previous class, we discussed about the topic basic farm tools. In our class today we will be discussing the topic classification of simple farm tools. Simple farm tools are essential instruments used in agricultural activities to perform various tasks more efficiently. These tools can be classified into different categories based on their purpose and function. We will explore the classification of simple farm tools commonly used in agriculture. Digging tools. Digging tools are primarily used for breaking the soil, removing weeds, and preparing the ground for planting. The main types of digging tools are as follows: spade, hoe, shovel. Cutting tools. Cutting tools are used for pruning, harvesting crops, and cutting branches. Some common cutting tools include sickles, pruning shears, planting tools. Planting tools are specifically designed to facilitate the sowing of seeds and transplanting seedlings. The main planting tools are seed drill, dibber, carrying tools. Carrying tools are used to transport materials and harvested crops. Some examples of carrying tools are wheelbarrow, basket. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.